because I could not hold off, because it's later on in the show, our full presentation, but I wanted to give you a jump start of this because I know how much you're gonna love them, because when I saw them, I fell in love. They are called the Glitz Strut. Medium and wide widths on this. Now you're gonna be able to slip in to cute, comfy, and convenient mules with their signature soft knit upper that literally feels like you're wearing a sock. Plus, look at the rhinestone embellishment on these shoes. Now, I'm gonna take you through the colors and we'll see if we have time to get into the nitty gritty, but we have the full presentation coming up a little bit later. So here we have our lilac. It's a perfect, light, soft lilac. It's dusty also. It's really, really nice. This is that gorgeous sage. More of a mint, I would say. It's a little bit bluer than a green sage. All black everything. Navy. And then we also have the natural. And look at the rhinestones. They're all like Aurora Borealis crystals. So they give you so much play. Actually, I'm not gonna leave. I can't have you just standing there. Angela Bailey, come on out, my friend.
Hey.
What's up?
Nothing.
Good to see you. Good morning.
You too. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Okay, so
Sunday.
Our fashion Sunday.
Exciting.
Super Style Sunday. Now, this is the big deal. It's been so super popular.
It really has.
And we're giving you just a minute to look at them, but let's go through really quickly like the nitty gritty of the
nitty gritty. It's the best because it's a mule. So easy, so convenient. It's on a sneaker bottom called the Easygoing. So comfortable. It's been popular in so many different silhouettes at Skechers. You get relaxed fit, which means that roomier fit in the toe box, memory foam. It's lightweight, and you can't beat that beautiful embellishment.
I love it. And that it's just like slip in, slip out. I mean, we actually have our slip in sneakers. This is a mule.
We do.
So it's just, look how cute they are. Just look.
They are.
I mean, there's not much, we don't have to talk about them. We could just show
You really
how
could.
adorable they are. And they're so comfortable. All right, A675103. We're gonna have the full presentation a little bit later in the show, but I had to get these to you. Free shipping and handling, by the way, on everything.